man, he will not talk. All right, later I'll call you. Did you get it? Don't see. They go say no. They get up. Relax. Like come on, they say no.
Okay, yeah.
Please, your weeks.
Yes, so Hansel, we've just been told that your applicants were not in court today. So how do you react to that?
The DSS in their usual style came to court to give excuses in flagrant disobedience of the court order. But we are glad that the court has reaffirmed its order. We do not believe that there's any agency or any institution that is above the court. So they are duty bound to obey the court. And the court has re-emphasized the order. The court has mandated the DSS to produce all the applicants on Monday. And so this is progress for us, and we are glad about it.
The discrepancies about the names on your list and their list, what's the way forward?
You know, the DSS wasn't proper before the court. So we cannot even rely on all the things they are saying. We know for a fact that these people were arrested illegally, and we've come to court to seek the refuge of the court. So we believe strongly by Monday that these people will be produced, and we shall pray the court to release them on bail. It is very important that the DSS as an institution should understand that the Constitution is supreme. The Constitution is above every individual. If we are not careful, we are going to suppress this country and will allow spineless entities to hijack the instrumentalities of power and begin to use it against the common man. And that is the reason why the court must stand, and we are glad that the court is standing to protect the rights of all Nigerians. So we are coming back here on Monday to ensure that the right thing is done. It is really disappointing that the DSS could assume the authority that they came to court to inform the court that there's an order to detain them. It is really embarrassing. The court has clearly said, produce these people and show cause. They are not proper before the court because they have refused to comply first with the order of the court. So we are coming on Monday, and we believe that justice will be done.
Thank you.
Olajemgbesi.